1-0, Musetti.
You asked me the question. Who are you picking?
I'm just worried that Musetti gets tight when he's ahead.
Okay.
And this lad serves bigger. But Robbie, I will defer to you if he makes more errors like that.
I mean, that was just a Monday morning quarterback statement right there. He waited till the ball had gone out before he made a comment. These old guys know all the tricks.
Monday morning quarterback.
I always hope that it's going to be a moment of magic rather than a moment of madness that separates the match that has been going on this long.
And even for youngsters, I like to see them try to win the match, not let the other guy lose it. So grab the opportunity with two hands and shake it if you can. Not easy to do. It's a bit wild, that one, isn't it?
3-1.
He does spray them a little bit. The Italian a little more compact. He just pushes when he gets ahead, doesn't he?
3-2, Musetti.
I mean, he was chasing some tough balls down there. I mean, you're a hard taskmaster, Fitzy.
Yeah, why not?
But that was much better control of the forehand. I love the fact that Nava didn't try to hit it too hard. Just brushed up the back a bit more, gave him more margin for error. I think if he can maintain that throughout the remainder of the breaker, he's in business.
Musetti.
It's like the yin and the yang, isn't it? It's
it is.
one is defending. He's running around in the shadows at the back trying to defend, and Nava is trying to press, but he's nervy, and it's all on the line here, so not easy. Great experience for these youngsters. They'll both be good players, I'm sure, in the future.
Remember, this is a match tiebreaker. First to 10, so still a bit of room to maneuver from Nava. Couple pace with accuracy. That's what you get.
His best forehand of the match.
5-3.
He was forced into it. Was made to run wide. Nava hit a good attacking ball across court. But he threads the needle here, the Italian. Good balance.
Oh. What a howitzer. That's what that is. That could be worth a bonus point in other sports.
Well,
Musetti.
One-on-one sport. He was jumpy, wasn't he? Just had a rush of blood.
And of course, that's what happens under pressure. Your judgment becomes a little clouded. There's so much going on, the adrenaline coursing through the veins.
Well, I don't like that body language. I just don't like it in this situation. And he's so tentative halfway through. He's playing tennis here that he hasn't really played for most of the match, which is totally defensive. Yes, he came up with a running forehand because he was forced into it, and he's got the talent to do it, but gee, the mindset there is different. First to 10, remember. I prefer that. I prefer when he hits his forehand. Musetti.
Going to live and die by that drop shot. I remember at 5-3 when he was up, it was a drop shot that ended up costing him Fitzy once again. It's another drop shot from Musetti.
I just feel like there's less danger in hitting through your forehand with racket head speed. Controlling your nerves and the touch and feel at this stage of a match is harder, I believe. And you have to hit that drop shot perfectly on hard court or it'll sit up. He had a short forehand there, didn't he?
Absolutely.
So what a learning opportunity this is for both of these young kids. Where was that last point?
7-6. Musetti.
I mean, it's just a normal pattern of play. It's the right approach. You're going over the lowest part of the net. You're heading into the greatest amount of court, so odds are very much in your favor. Good shot selection, young man. 6-7. Right back at you. That's what we've been begging Emilio Nava to do a little bit more of as well. Forget about the drop shot. Inside out approach. Ask the guy to pass you.
Well, it is a little unsettling, isn't it? a let chord in the juniors is played, you play on. And Emilio Nava has hit quite a few serves that have been lets. That one was important. First to 10, remember.
Got to win by a margin of 2. The tension is palpable.
Miss Nava is showing the ball on the left near sideline. The ball scored in.
He's telling his box that he thinks it's in. The heart's in the mouth here for both of these youngsters. Wow.
What a time
9-8
to
Musetti.
produce your 3rd ace of the match. Brings up the championship point for Musetti. That's wonderful clarity of thought.
Yeah, you've got to have some courage to hit that overhead too. I mean, you need a well-developed technique up there to make that shot on a big occasion.
So 1 match point has come and gone for Lorenzo Musetti. Junior Grand Slam title up for grabs. Once again, with a chance to execute that pattern of play that's just worked so well for him. Why didn't he go inside out with the forehand and come in? Pummel the backhand of Musetti. Instead, now it's the Italian with a match point on his own deal.
Mr. Musetti is trying to go on the
Well,
right.
he rolls the dice, the youngster.
Can you believe it?
If it touches the line, it's over. Oh, my goodness. Is this a game of millimeters?
Or what?
10-all. Mr. Musetti has 2 challenges remaining.
1 millimeter away from being the junior boys champion. We play on. It's 10-all.
Gee, he's flirting with risk, isn't he?
Musetti.
I can't believe he played that shot. Well, he's got something. There's some form of X factor there for a youngster, but I can't believe he played a drop shot there.
That was extraordinary, wasn't it? A 3rd championship point now.
Well, one thing is for sure, they won't forget this final, these 2 young lads. The tension is palpable, isn't it? And Robbie, that second serve must have just caught the outside edge.
161, not holding back. Oh.
Mr. Musetti is challenged the ball on the left near sideline. The ball is caught in.
I think this one's got a bit of the paintwork here. One of those line-licking serves. Yes, indeed. So after having
12-11,
saved
Nava.
3 match points,
Mr. Musetti has 1 challenge remaining.
Emilio Nava has got 1 of his own. We'll change sides again. What a return from Nava.
13-12, Musetti.
Championship point number 4 now for Musetti. Lorenzo Musetti is the junior boys a singles champion at the Australian Open. And boy, has he done it the hard way. He beats Emilio Nava in 3 tough sets. 4-6, 6-2, 7-6. Just got the feeling that he might be able to put 1 more ball in play, and that's what he was able to do. Highly entertaining. A wonderful drama. Time to enjoy that with your nearest and dearest. All those hours they spend on the practice court. Lovely moments for the Italian. Lost just the 1 set. Those are the ones who are with him day in and day out. Quick look at the final numbers. Nothing in it.